Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a fantastic product to discuss, the XREAL Kaleido Kit. If you own XREAL Air, Air 2, or Air 2 Pro glasses, you're in for a treat. This kit allows you to style up your XREAL glasses with vibrant colors, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at what you get in the XREAL Kaleido Kit. It comes in a sleek package, and inside, you'll find 6 vibrant colors to choose from. Dartmouth green, jonquil, navy blue, pale dogwood, royal blue, and verdigris. Each color is designed to give your XREAL glasses a fresh and unique look. Whether you want to match your outfit or just add some personality to your glasses, the options are endless. The XREAL Kaleido Kit is compatible with XREAL Air, Air 2, and Air 2 Pro glasses, making it a versatile accessory for XREAL enthusiasts. Look at how stylish and unique these glasses look with the stickers. It's a great way to stand out from the crowd and express your personal style. Now, let's talk about the price. The XREAL Kaleido Kit is available for just $9.99, making it an affordable way to transform your XREAL glasses. To sum it up, the XREAL Kaleido Kit is a fantastic accessory for XREAL glasses owners. It offers 6 vibrant colors to choose from, easy application, compatibility with XREAL Air, Air 2, and Air 2 Pro glasses, and all at an affordable price. So, if you want to style up your XREAL glasses and give them a fresh new look, don't miss out on the XREAL Kaleido Kit. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product reviews. See you next time.